हाय, इस वीडियो में मैं बात कर रहा हूँ कि हम किस तरह से सेलेक्टिव कलरिंग कर सकते हैं, यानी कि कुछ एरिया को कलर रख सकते हैं और बाकी को कलर हटा सकते हैं। और इसके लिए मैं इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ एक ऐप का, जो कि आई कॉल इट सुपर ऐप, स्नैपसीड। गूगल का फ्री ऐप है। एंड लेट्स गो टू द ऐप एंड गेट स्टार्टेड। सो आई go to my galleries and I'll be working on Paramsahib's image. He's a fashion designer. I'll be sharing his Instagram handle in description. Follow him for some cool artworks and designs. So I'll start with tools and I'll say black and white. So I'm already quite happy with what Snapseed has done, so I say okay. So now what has done that I have taken out colors from the picture. So I'll go to stack, view edits, and I go to black and white and tap here in the center, and now my colors are back. So I have to basically mask this picture. So now the picture is masked by tapping this, and wherever I run the brush, I'll expose the colors. So if you can do it precisely, that's why mask is important. Otherwise you can just do it, just to see like this. But I prefer working with mask. It's easier and it's quite precise. So I'll just do it. When you are doing it, you have to of course do it precisely, but I'll just show you, how it's done. So even if you, let's say, run here, so what you can do is, instead of 0 here in the center, you can go to 100, and it means that you're masking it again. So that's it's quite easy. And so whatever area, whatever colors you want. So see, it's bleeding from here, so but we know we can come back, so we'll just do it. Yeah, so somewhere here, and we say 100 and paint it over again, so that we don't get into colors. And for everywhere we need colors, so we just put it back. Oh, this is it. It's quite simple. And maybe some colors here as well. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, these are the accessories he's designed. So, and here you go. So it's quite simple. And just export, save a copy, and so here you are. It's very simple. I'll also use some other app to show you how this can be done, but I feel that Snapseed is quite powerful. So, and it's a free app, so please use it, and you can explore the app. I'm also doing a detailed tutorial where I'm covering each and every aspect of Snapseed. So I'm covering every tool in detail, but that's coming soon. So as for now, this is it. Thank you so much for watching.